Marinate the shrimps with salt, a little white pepper powder, corn flour and cooking wine. Once you have mixed everything well, add the oil at the end and mix well. Some sliced carrots, 3 stalks green onions, 1/4 onion, preheat the pan over a medium heat. Add the shrimps. The shrimp mustn't overcrowd the pan, otherwise the shrimp will steam instead of sear. Turn the prawns when the underside is golden brown, about 2 minutes. When both sides are cooked, remove to a plate. Add the egg and fry. Add the carrots and onions and stir fry for 1 to 2 minutes. Add the frozen beans and stir fry for 1 to 2 minutes. Add soy sauce, salt and dark soy sauce. Stir fry for 2 minutes. When you fry the fried rice, don't press it with a spatula. Use a cutting method to loosen the rice grains, otherwise, the rice will stick to the pan and become one piece. Add the prawns, green onions, white and black pepper. Stir fry for 1 to 2 minutes. Whisk the eggs in a bowl. Make corn flour slurry. Add 1.5 teaspoons of corn flour in a bowl with 45 milliliters water. Stir well and set aside. Bring the chicken stock to a simmer. Stir well corn flour slurry before you pour it into the pot. Use a spoon to stir the broth in clockwise with evenly spread, so that the cornstarch slurry and the broth are evenly blended. Then slowly pour the whisked eggs into the soup. As you continue stirring in order to create long egg ribbons. Add some salt to taste. Add some black pepper, sesame oil, green onion,